Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to delete your order history on Amazon. Now make sure to subscribe down below if you want to see more of these type of videos. Now let's get started. So how can you delete your order history on Amazon? Well, there is no actual way to delete. You need to go and you need to archive your order history on Amazon. So this is basically how you can do it. All you have to do is log in into your Amazon, go to returns and orders right here. And as you can see here, you will have your orders. Here from your orders, you can go and you can archive order right here. Now this is the only way how you can go and how you can delete your orders history on Amazon. All you have to do is archive the order and then in the pop-up window, click archive order again. Now, once your order has been archived, it won't appear under returns and orders. If you need to find your order, you will need to go to the accounts and lists and then archived orders right here. Here you can view and manage your archived orders. Now, obviously, if you want to do that on your iPhone, you can just request desktop website and then all you have to do is just go here and then you will be able to do that on your iPhone and on your Android as well. But overall, this is how you can delete your orders. Unfortunately, there's no way to actually delete it, but there is a way to archive your orders. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.